Hello and welcome to My Alberta Art Studio. Today I'm working with a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm going to be doing a bit of a comb over, so to speak. Anyway, using a white base, I'm just using up the rest of the paints that I have here. I don't know if I'll use them all, but we'll see what happens. I'm just going to put a base down. I'm going to put stripes of paint across and comb them up, and then I'm going to maneuver the paint in such a way that it makes an interesting design. So for anybody that's new, welcome. And for my subscribers, thank you for joining me again on this adventure, and might as well get started. So I'll just put this down. I'm going to try and get as much as I can down for a base. And maybe tilt it around to cover most of it. So I don't know if you've noticed yet, but I no longer have my IV in, which is wonderful because it was annoying, but it was necessary. I'm still on oral antibiotics, but I'm getting better. And it was something that I'm going to be a little more cautious about. I'm going to try and stay on my feet a little better. It seems that I'm a little tipsy sometimes when I walk, and I don't drink, so it's not a good excuse. But anyway, we'll see how this goes. I've mixed all my paints back up. They were sitting for some time, so I'm just going to start with the blue. This is, I believe it's called Cerulean Blue, and I might have way too much paint, but that's okay because I'm going to have to mix up some new stuff anyway. And I got turquoise here. And I might just do it on this side since I pulled it away from the thing and come back over this way. Now, I'll put this purple down. I don't want to clash too many colors and end up with mud, but should be cool. I'll throw some white down, even though I really don't need to, but so I hope everybody's having a pretty good summer so far. It's kind of just the start of it all. Here in Alberta, we've been getting quite a bit of rain, and today we're supposed to get another thunderstorm, but according to what it said, it's going to be further north from where we are. But you never know with these things. Right now it's beautiful, sunny, warm. Actually, it's quite warm in the studio right now, too. Okay. Now, I bought this a long time ago in hopes to do some things with it. So this is going to be me doing something with it. Just going to put some lines up and try and hold it down steady, which is almost impossible for me. And it looks kind of cool. Yeah. Well, that's not too bad. So now I'm just going to do some stretching and try and move it around, maneuver it around the board a bit, and see some bends and see how she goes. Looking kind of cool. I need to move this side over. Just gonna kind of go off this a little bit. Just stretch that just a bit. You'll note that I only have my small tacks in here today. I have to pull some of my other ones off the other paintings. I haven't done so yet. So I'm going to tilt this down so it's not so red. I like the red and white, but kind of like to bring the other color in too. Try and cover the corners. I guess I got blue down here, so it's move the comb out of the way. I like this up here. This looks really cool. The divisions in the red is just a little bit of white. It looks really nice over here, but this over here doesn't. It's not quite as separated. So I'll see if I can move that a little bit. I don't want to pour it all off, but I just want to get some of the other further down. Yeah. It's kind of an interesting look. Okay, I'm just gonna pop some bubbles. See quite a few in there. I had to mix the paint, so stand that up so it doesn't just pour everywhere. These summer ones are going to be a little bit of a quick one, just because of the temperature in the house isn't quite, well, in the art room here isn't quite conducive to being in here very long. I rather like that. Lots of contrast and everything. No, it looks good. Well, I think I'll leave it there. Thank you for joining me. I am going to be doing the concrete, I promise, pretty soon. I'm trying to put my, I have a cover, what do you call it? Anyway, it's kind of like a tent with just the roof. I don't remember what it's called anymore. But I've got one to put up, and that'll give me some shade. I might even do it in the garage. It's nice and cool in there. But I am definitely going to be doing it. I've got everything ready to go. And so look for that in the next week. I'm going to tear myself away from all my weeding and everything and give it a try. Thank you for joining me today. God bless to you and your families. And this is Sunday, July 5th today. So this video will likely be out on Monday. You'll know if you see it there. So thank you. And I'll just say goodbye for now and see you soon. Take care.